The quantity b square minus 4ac on which the roots depends, therefore that b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. The sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a means negative times the coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a means constant term divided by the coefficient of x. What is alpha beta? That is nothing but product of roots 1 by 2. What is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots minus 2. Since delta is equal to 12 greater than 0, not a perfect square, therefore the roots are real and not equal. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. So in this session I am going to discuss regarding the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. In the previous class we have discussed regarding solving a quadratic equation by factorization method and by formula method. Now today I am going to discuss regarding the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So now the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Let us consider a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then the quantity, what is the formula we are going to use to solve this for? By the method of formula, the roots of this equation can be determined using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. b square minus 4ac. The term b square minus 4ac is now will determine the nature of the root. So the quantity, the term b square minus 4ac on which the nature of the roots depends and is called as the discriminant. This is called the discriminant, or it is denoted as delta. This is called as the discriminant. So this is denoted as delta. The quantity b square minus 4ac on which the roots depends, therefore that b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant, and this discriminant b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac can also be denoted as delta, or we can also represent it as capital D. So delta is nothing but the discriminant. This can also be denoted as capital D. Now what is the nature of the roots? So the nature of the roots depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4a is equal to 0, if b square minus 4a is greater than 0, that is positive. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, negative. Depending upon that, we are going to describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So now let us come to the first point. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the quantity delta, the discriminant is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, that is, what is delta? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. The roots are real roots and they are equal. So for the roots to be equal and real roots, b square minus 4ac is always equal to 0. Suppose if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and distinct. The roots are rational and they are distinct roots. Suppose if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square. If it is not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and distinct roots. So if it is not a perfect square, they are irrational. If it is a perfect square, if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and distinct roots. And finally, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, negative, then the roots are complex roots. We are going to get an imaginary roots. The roots are complex roots. So depending upon the value of b square minus 4ac, we are going to explain the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So in general, the nature of roots of the quadratic equation depends upon the value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and less than 0. That's it. Okay. Let us discuss few problems based on this. Now let us come to the first problem. So this type of problems are very important. Now find the nature of roots without solving the equation. Without solving the equation, we have to find whether the roots are real or distinct or imaginary roots. Now just compare this with the standard equation. Comparing with, if you compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. Now what is the discriminant? The discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now just find out b square minus 4ac. What is b square? 6 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. b square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 2, c is equal to 3. 6 square 36 minus, what is this? 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 36 minus 24. 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. So this delta is equal to 12 here. Now this delta is greater than 0, positive, but not a perfect square. So since delta is equal to 12, greater than 0, not a perfect square, therefore the roots are real and not equal, and therefore the roots are distinct, and the roots are nothing but irrational roots. What is the condition? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and distinct. So therefore the roots are irrational roots are irrational, because this is not a perfect square. That's it. So the roots are irrational roots. That's it. Okay. Now let us take a similar type problem. Now 4x square plus 12x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now comparing with same standard equation, what is a? A is equal to 4, b is equal to 12, c is equal to 3. Find out the value of delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? 12 square minus 4 into a is 4 into c is also equal to 3. 12 square is 144 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So this is equal to 144 minus 48, that's equal to 96. Now listen, so here therefore delta is equal to 96. Delta is equal to 96. This is greater than 0 but not a perfect square. So what is the condition? B square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, means then the roots are irrational and distinct. So therefore this is also, therefore the roots are irrational roots are irrational. Suppose if we get a perfect square, then the roots are rational and distinct. So these are irrational roots. Now let us come to the next problem. Therefore the roots are irrational roots. So listen to me. B square minus 4ac. B square is 12 square. 144 minus 4 into a is 4. C is equal to 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So 144 minus 48 is 96. 96 is greater than 0 but not a perfect square. Therefore the roots are irrational roots. Now let us come to the next problem. 2x square minus 5x plus c. Same type problem. What is a here? A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 5. C is equal to 6. Find out the value of delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is equal to 6. 5 5s are 25, minus into minus plus. So this is 6 4s are 24. 24 into 2 is 48. This is equal to minus 25. 25 minus 48 is equal to minus 24. So 8 minus 5 is 3, minus 23. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, delta is equal to minus 23, less than 0, that is negative. If it is negative, what is the condition? If b square minus a square is negative, then the roots are a complex root. So therefore here the roots are complex. Roots are complex roots. These are complex roots. So the roots are complex for this, complex roots. That's it. B square minus 4ac is negative, means the roots are complex, less than 0. So complex roots means that is nothing but the roots are imaginary roots. So therefore the roots are imaginary roots. Roots are imaginary. Complex roots are nothing but the imaginary roots. Now let us take next problem. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now same, what is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4 into b square is minus 1 square minus 4 into a. A is 1, c is also equal to 1. 1 square is 1 minus 4 1s are 4. This is minus 3. Delta is equal to minus 3, less than 0, that is negative. So here the roots are unequal. Therefore the roots are unequal. unequal, and therefore the roots are imaginary roots. Roots are imaginary, that is the complex roots. Roots are complex, imaginary roots. Okay, that's it. Now let us take one more example. 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Let us consider this example. 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Let us determine the nature of the roots for this equation. Now compare this. What is A? A is 4, B is 12, C is equal to 9. What is delta? B square minus 4AC. B square, 12 square minus 4 into 9. 12 square is 144 minus 9 fours are 36. 36 into 4 is again 144. Now what is 144 minus 144? This is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0. Okay, right. See, delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0 means what is the conditions here? If delta is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. So therefore, the roots are real. The roots are real roots and equal. They are equal. So that's it. So if delta is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal roots. That's it. This is how we are going to find the nature of roots for the given quadratic equation. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next set of problems. Very important type of problems. So you know, regarding in the previous class I have explained regarding the relation between the roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. So based on that, let us discuss regarding the relation between the roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation and the problems based on that. Now you might have been studied. So if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, the sum of roots is always equal to, sum of roots is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and the product of roots is equal to alpha beta is equal to c by a, constant term divided by coefficient of x square. The sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a means negative times the coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a means constant term divided by the coefficient of x. This is very important formula which we are going to use. This is a relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Based on this, we are going to solve this type of problems. Okay. Now what is the problem given? If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Now what is given? Just ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. What is required to find? Find the value of 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Now just we know what is the sum of roots? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now just multiply this 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. This can be written as multiplied. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into beta is beta, plus alpha into 1 is alpha, plus alpha beta. Just multiply this. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into beta beta, alpha into 1 is alpha, alpha into beta is alpha beta. Now this can be written as 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now substitute the values. 1 plus, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, plus what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Take LCM, a is the LCM, multiply it, this a minus b plus c, put it in order. Therefore this can be written as a plus c minus b. A plus c minus b divided by a is the required answer. 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta is equal to a plus c minus b divided by a. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Or if you want, you can keep this much itself, a minus b plus c by a. Now let us come to the second part. Now same problem. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of alpha by beta square plus beta by alpha square. Now we know what is the sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay. Now just this given equation alpha by beta square plus beta by alpha square. This can be written as, this is the given equation. Take LCM. What is the LCM? Alpha square into beta square is the LCM. Just cross multiply beta square, alpha square into alpha is alpha cube plus beta square into beta is beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. You know the formula for a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is also equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube. So therefore alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by, in the denominator, alpha square beta square can also be written as alpha beta whole square. Now substitute, what is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots minus b by a whole cube minus 3 times alpha beta product of roots c by a into again alpha plus beta sum of roots minus b by a divided by alpha beta is c by a whole the square. That's it. Simplify, you will get the answer. So in the numerator, this is equal to minus b cube divided by a cube, minus into minus plus multiply 3b into c, 3bc divided by a into a is a square, and this goes to the numerator into this a square divided by c square. Okay. Now take LCM and simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. Now here, what is the LCM for this numerator? Here a cube is the LCM, then a cube gets cancelled, minus b cube, a square gets cancelled, 3abc into this term a square by c square as it is, a square and 1a square gets cancelled. What is left in the numerator is, put it in order, 3abc minus b cube divided by, in the denominator we have a into c square. That's it. So the required answer is 3abc minus b cube divided by ac square is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Or you can also put like this itself, that is minus b cube plus 3abc divided by a into c square, or interchange that. That's it. So this is the required answer. See here, since here for the second part, this is very important. Take LCM, alpha square beta square is LCM, cross multiply, alpha square into alpha is alpha cube, beta into beta square is beta cube. This is of the form a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is also equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by denominator alpha square beta square is alpha equal to alpha beta whole square. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a whole cube minus 3 times alpha beta is c by a. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a divided by c by a whole square. This is minus b cube by a cube plus minus into minus plus 3bc divided by a square. In the denominator, c square by a square taken to the numerator, reciprocate it, a square by c square. A cube is the LCM, minus b cube, a and gets cancelled, 3abc, a square gets cancelled. What is left is a into c square. So minus b cube plus 3ab divided by ac square, or 3ab minus b cube divided by ac square is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 4x plus 1, find the value of first one, alpha square beta plus beta alpha square. Very simple. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b by a? Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, and the product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, 1 divided by 2. So now what is given? Alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. You can take here alpha common factor and beta is also common factor. Alpha beta is taken out. What is left over is alpha plus beta. See, if you multiply alpha into alpha, alpha square beta plus alpha into beta is beta square. Just substitute the values. That's all. What is alpha beta? Product of roots 1 by 2. And what is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots minus 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to minus 1. That's it. The required answer is minus 1. Okay. See here. Alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Here we can take alpha beta common factor. Alpha plus beta. If you multiply, you will get the same term. Alpha into alpha, alpha square beta. Again alpha into beta is beta square. Since what is alpha beta? That is nothing but product of roots 1 by 2. What is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots minus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 2, 2 gets cancelled, minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. Now let us come to the second one, second part of the same problem. So find the value, same here. What is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2, and alpha beta product of roots is 1 by 2. Same problem. So what is required to find is alpha to the power of minus 2 plus beta to the power of minus 2. Given equation, this can be written as 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. So you know by law of indices, a to the power of minus m is also equal to 1 over a to the power of plus m. Take LCM. What is the LCM? Alpha square beta square is the LCM. Cross multiply, will get beta square plus alpha square. So this is nothing but alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta whole the square. Now this is of the form a square plus b square. A square plus b square can also be written as a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab gets cancelled, minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta whole square. See here, a plus b, alpha square plus beta square is also equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. See, if you simplify, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta gets cancelled, you will get the same step. Now substitute the value. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 1 by 2 divided by again alpha beta is 1 by 2 whole the square. So this is minus 2 square is 4, 2 gets cancelled, 1 divided by 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, and this goes to the numerator, 4 by 1, that's equal to 12. So the answer for this is 12 is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. So the formula here is a square plus b square is also equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is the formula we are using. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Same. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Say alpha plus beta, the sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is 7 by 1 is equal to 7. Now what is required to find is alpha cube plus beta cube. Since we know the formula a cube plus b cube, same problem just now I did, a cube plus b cube is also equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Alpha cube plus beta cube is also equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta is 7 into alpha plus beta is minus 3. Minus 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21, 21 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 21 into 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus 63. So 63 minus 27. Okay. So what is this equal to? Minus 27 plus 63 is equal to 36. See here, minus 27 plus 63 is equal to 36. So the value of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 36. Very simple. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Alpha plus beta whole cube is minus 3. Minus 3 into alpha beta is 7. Again alpha plus beta is minus 3. Minus into minus into minus. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Again minus into minus plus. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 3 is 63. 63 minus 27 is 36. So the answer for this is 36 is the required answer. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem from the same. Find the value of alpha square beta plus beta square by alpha. So here what is the values of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta minus b by a is nothing but minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Alpha beta is equal to c by a, 7 by 1 is equal to 7. Now what is the given equation? The given equation is alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Take LCM, alpha beta is the LCM, cross multiply alpha cube plus beta cube. Now already we know from the previous problem what is alpha cube plus beta cube is 36. Since from the previous problem alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 36. 36 divided by alpha beta, what is alpha beta? 7. 36 divided by 7 is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0, Find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So here also sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus 5 by 2, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is 5 by, both are 5 by 2, one is minus, another one is positive. Now what is required to find the given equation is 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Take LCM, alpha beta is the LCM, cross multiply beta plus alpha. This is nothing but alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Sum of roots is minus 5 by 2 divided by product of roots is 5 by 2, gets cancelled minus 1. So therefore 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equal to minus 1. That's it. Okay. Followed. Now let us come to the next problem. The same problem. What is required to find is 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. What is alpha plus beta? The same problem. Alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 2. What is alpha beta? Plus 5 by 2. Now this is the given equation. 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Take LCM. Alpha square beta square is LCM, cross multiplied beta square plus alpha square. So this is nothing but alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta whole the square. So alpha square plus beta square can also be written as this is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by denominator is alpha beta whole square. See, same as that of the previous problem. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab gets cancelled to alpha beta plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled, divided by denominator. What is alpha plus beta whole square? Minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 2 into what is alpha beta? 5 by 2 divided by alpha beta is again 5 by 2 whole the square. So this is pi square. Pi square is 20 by 4 minus this 2 and 2 gets cancelled 5 divided by, in the denominator pi square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4, 25 by 4. Take LCM in the numerator, 4 is the LCM, 25 minus 5 4s are 20, and take this to the numerator, 4 divided by 25. This 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is 25 minus 20? 25 minus 20 is 5 divided by 25. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So the required answer is 1 by 5 it is. What is the required answer? 1 by 5. So alpha 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is equal to 1 by 5. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Right. Let us come to the next problem. Same. Here alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 by 2. Alpha beta is equal to plus 5 by 2. What is required to find is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So given equation alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Take LCM. Alpha beta is LCM, cross multiply alpha square plus beta square. Now just alpha square beta square can also be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta whole square? Minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 5 by 2 divided by alpha beta is again 5 by 2. Now this is equal to, in the numerator 5 square is 25 divided by 4 minus 2 gets cancelled, 5 this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, again this is 5 by 2 as it is. In the numerator take LCM, 4 is the LCM, 25 minus 5 4s are 20, and this goes to the numerator 2 by 5. What is 25 minus 20? That is 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 2 2s gets cancelled, 1 by 2. So the answer for this is 1 by 2. That's it. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Hope you followed. Okay. Let us take a next problem. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 7, same type problem. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, that is minus 3 by 2. What is alpha beta? C by a, that is 7 by 2. Same problem. So the given equation alpha by beta plus beta by alpha can be written as, take LCM, alpha beta is LCM, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Now what is this equal to? What is alpha plus beta whole square? Minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 7 by 2 divided by alpha beta is again 7 by 2. Okay, simplify this. 3 3s are 9 by 4 minus 2 2 gets cancelled, 7 divided by 7 by 2. Simplify this, you will get the answer. See here, take LCM, so 4 is LCM in the numerator, 9 minus 4 into 7, 28 divided by 7 by 2 goes to the numerator, 2 by 7. So what is this equal to? 9 minus 28 is minus 19 by 4 into 2 by 7. 2 2s gets cancelled. This is minus 19 divided by 14. That's it. Okay. Here sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 2 into alpha beta is 7 by 2 divided by alpha beta is 7 by 2. So 3 square is 9 by 4 minus 2 2 gets cancelled, 7 divided by 7 by 2. Take LCM, 4 is LCM, 7 4s are 28, 9 minus 28 by 4 into 2 by 7. What is 9 minus 28? 9 minus 28 is minus 19 by 4 into 2 by 7. 2 2s gets cancelled, minus 19 by 7 2s are 14 is the required answer. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. The last problem in this, same. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is minus 3 by 2. Alpha beta c by a is equal to 7 by 2. So, what is required to find is 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. This is the given equation. Take LCM. Alpha square beta square is LCM, cross multiplied beta square plus alpha square. This is nothing but alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta whole square. Now from the previous problem, what is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to numerator. This is the numerator, that is minus 19 by 4. Or let us simplify once again, no problem. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta whole the square. Alpha plus beta whole square is 3 square, 9 by 4 minus 2 into alpha beta is 7 by 2 divided by alpha beta. What is alpha beta? 7 by 2 whole the square. So this is equal to 9 by 4 minus 7, and this goes to the numerator, that is 7 square is 49, 4 by 49. Take LCM and simplify. So 9 minus 7 4s are 28 divided by 4 into 4 by 49. This is equal to 9 minus 28 is as usual minus 19 by 4 into 4 by 49. 4 4 cancel, minus 19 by 49. So therefore the required answer for this is minus 19 divided by 49. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problem. So we follow. Let me explain. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Alpha plus beta is 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4 minus 2 into alpha beta is 7 by 2. 2 2 gets cancelled. Take LCM. 9 by 4 minus 7. That is 7 4s are 28. 9 minus 28 by 4. Then this 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4. When taken to the numerator becomes 4 by 49. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 9 minus 28 is minus 19 by 49. So the required answer is minus 19 divided by 49. That's it. This is how we are going to solve these type of problems based on a relation between the roots and the coefficients. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different types of problems in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.